Mike.
Yo, Trey, let's do it, yo.
Let's go.
Four right here. We got it. Let's go. We got it.
Step up. Let me up for 2 seconds.
Alright.
So we gonna have to switch. Let me get the caps.
Let's go, Trey.
MC caps? Yeah. I said make caps like it was a McDonald's burger. Make caps, MC caps. What up? Alright, grip a microphone.
Let's go, Trey.
Mike.
Check, 1, 2, check.
Mike.
Yeah. Now how it goes, you stop, you go. You stop, you go. I'm cutting you in, I'm cutting you in. That's how it's going down, all right? You will see how it goes down. As soon as I cut, you jump. 2 turns each. If you see me do this, that means back up, stay on your side. You're not gonna be any closer than this. All you MCs, do you see that? You will not be any closer than this. Don't touch nobody, don't throw anything on anybody. I see that in a lot of battles. Y'all seen the fights, flip a coin, you see what's going on? Call it in the air.
Tails.
It's heads, you wanna go first or him? You setting it off. Ja. You are going first. Alright, stay on your side. Turn the beat up just a little bit. I'm gonna use y'all out there too. I'm gonna need y'all energy. I can't hear y'all, but when it's time to vote, I'm gonna need y'all hands for whoever y'all feeling love for. It's going down in Strong Island right now. First battle, let's set it. Let's go. Yo.
Hey yo, I'm the last batch of a mother-loving down breed. I got bagged and didn't snitch. Pusher's creed, even though I'm not quite white and not colored, I can still spit these bars better than any brother. That's word to mother, son, I'm keeping it real. And real recognize real, son, and that is the deal. Words of wisdom, they can't be denied. I asked you if you visit your man locked up. You say you try, but I'm not trying. I'm showing up to the VI with 3 shirts, 3 books that I'm buying. One of them holding an iron, just in case a cat in jail act up, or if he start lying.
Check it. Alright. Okay.
Drake. Let's go, Drake.
Let's go,
Drake.
Don't talk.
Okay, battle me and I'm the highest at rank. Obama couldn't change this if he worked at a bank. Moving get shanked. This guy like bananas and franks. Point blank, I'm about green like an army tank. And if you sign my hearse, you still got no buzz. You got nothing on me like Bruno Mars. And his girl by the bike cause he ain't got no car. And his girl by me cause she know I'm hard. Action neighbors, I bet they know my name. You a lame and your flow is oh so plain and it's okay. He Oscar the Grouch garbage. His chick blew me like a Sega Genesis cartridge. Look at his face.
Jump.
Yes. Let's go, Drake.
Hey yo, you say my flow is plain, your flow side is same. Me stay on the dance floor, boy, me not linger. Pierce me off, me put the trigger on the finger. Ears are off, like 1, 2, 3, boy, suck your mother. You can't with me, cause me the white boy, I like to spit a Jamaican. Me the real deal son, me no fagan. Cook an MC like a pound of bacon. And in me kitchen, me jerk chicken bacon. Me the number 2, me the number 1, and me still got the same gun from Kingston. Me like the sexy girl who like to have fun, who do the dirty wine and a pump.
Alright, okay. Listen.
Let's go, Drake.
This Hot 97, you listen to Toon Disney. His girl came to me, this dude is too friendly. Then asked why his shorty just stay busy. Cause she with me, getting into greasy. In fact, I'm so ill with mass spades. Come on my block, you wouldn't pass like bad grades. I'm not married, I'm the biggest dude. I'm so paid, you thinking you a thug, but no way. After this, I swear it's not fair, but I'm coming for your seat like musical chairs.
Hold it there.
Let's go, Drake. Let's go, Drake. That's definitely it.
All right. That's the first one. It's going down like that all day till we see the last man standing. Alright? Now check how this goes down. You are not booing anybody. Because when I ask you to make noise, if they showing love and you booing, it all sounds like love to me. If you're not feeling somebody, just be silent. I need to hear clarity on who is the better MC. Alright? I know I can't hear y'all. You're absolute get in here, man. You slacking. I know I can't hear y'all, but I need your hands to wave for whoever you feeling love for. You know what I'm saying?
McFly.
So now, is it? My man right here, make some noise. Is it my man right here? Make some noise.
Yeah, what up?
He got that. Respect.